So we're back, and in this video it's going to be very quick. I'll just do a quick review of the Weka classification process I've been using that predicts prices out for the next 30 days using the 6-point classification system. Very strong buy or sell, average buy or sell, or weak buy or sell. In this classification, all I want is the strong buy or the strong sell indicators. I use several different Weka classifications for each day of the 100 ETFs that I follow. I if I run it for a particular ETF, I take the average for each of those classifications and use that as my final buy-sell call. If it has to be, because the class is very strong, has a class value of 0, the average has to be less than 1. And again, if it's a very strong sell situation, then which is a value of 5 in the classification index, the average has to be greater than 4. So if you remember, I do an ensemble, which is similar to the weather systems predicting hurricanes. I take an ensemble of predictions and take the average and kind of give you the guess of where the hurricane's going to hit. And in this case here, this is the ETF DIA, and this is its 30-day outlook. So let's go over to the results for the last 30 days. I started on April 1st, 2020. And the process is to show, each line represents the forecast date, and the columns represents how many days out that forecast was made. So let's take a look at the April 21st predictions. First day, the accuracy rate was 15%. Second day was 74%. Fourth day out, 22%. And there was a couple of 100-day calculations or predictions, correct predictions, further out as you go. And speaking of further out, let's take a look at the averages. And as you can see, as a prediction is made further out in time, the more accurate it gets. The averages, as you can see, for 1 or 2 or 3 days is not too great, less than or equal to 50% or so. But as you go out further and further, you can see we're reaching the 90% percentile. So back to DIA, the chart shows us that the estimators are looking for this ETF's price to be up about 3% in 6 weeks' time, which would put us at the end of June. That's it. If you like what you see, please press the like button and subscribe if you can.